sun's out, I quite don't know what to do with myself. What is that? Here on the River Ouse, stayed at the old Mill House Inn last night in the village of Sharnbrook, UK. Yesterday we took the bus and we took the bus out of London up to Stansted, rented a car, and came on up to this area to visit John and Liz Mitchinson of Rally Raid Engineering here in Wollaston. Those of you that have been following this channel for a while know about the Rally Raid CB500X. I was one of the first customers in the United States to buy one of John's first kits that converts the Honda CB500X to the Rally Raid CB500X adventure bike. So this is the first time I got a chance to actually meet John and Liz and visit the shop here in the UK, and it was a blast. John's now expanding his line of motorcycle conversions and accessories to include the Honda Africa Twin, of course the Rally Raid CB500X, and now the BMW, the tiny little BMW 310 GS, to kind of get three different levels of adventure bike set up for true adventure. It's Sunday afternoon. We're here at John Mitchinson's shop, Rally Raid in Wollaston, England. Get a little tour of the shop. He's working even though it's Sunday. Here in John Mitchinson's shop at Rally Raid Products, here's your Rally Raid CB500 hub. Front hub, right, John? We're looking at front hub here.
Front hub for the CB.
It's halfway through the machine process. You hang on to it on this end, machine out this end, then swap it out and finish off this end. So now you get a one-piece hub with the Rally Raid CB500X. Lightweight, much lighter than the original.
Yeah.
Pete's already climbing all over the shop, and of course all these hubs start out big block of aluminum like that. And what are those going to be for, John? Oh,
And the rear hub.
yeah,
That's for the
Africa Twin. Yeah.
And the BMW.
Yeah. John, this is your new CNC milling machine here, but it mills and drills,
That's
right?
it.
Right.
It can mill and drill from both.
So that gets your hubs done for
yeah.
you.
So now we can do them in one operation. We can turn, and then we can mill, drill, tap from the front, drill the spoke holes from the side, all in one operation.
And that allows you to create a one-piece hub too, as well,
Yeah.
and save weight.
Save weight, and it saves a lot of time.
Time?
We were doing it in 3 operations.
Ah, okay. And this new machine is about over 100 grand? Well over 100 grand.
Yeah, sterling, yeah.
Yeah. Wow. And it's computer driven. Once you get the drawing, feed it into here.
Yeah, Fanuc control, it's the latest Fanuc control.
And then it will create it right there.
Yeah.
But what about production rates? What kind of rate can you expect with a machine like that?
The hubs are about an hour to do a hub.
1 hour?
There's a lot of work there.
Yeah.
To do all that into the hub. And there's a lot of tooling here as well. So you've got a lot of tooling for the machine.
All right. To be set up. So you got them set up for the 500 right now, I suppose.
No, well,
Yeah.
for the 500, the 310, and the Africa Twin.
So each time you want to change, it's going to take you an hour to change tooling?
About half a day.
Half a day to change
So
that tooling?
that's why we try and make all the hubs as similar as possible.
Yeah.
Using the same tools, the same size blank of material.
Gotcha.
Then you save you on the setup time.
Here's how your triple trees get milled here at Rally Raid in the milling machine right there. And here's some of the various tooling required to make that happen. Drawers and drawers of drills and cutters. And what do we got here? Some
They're the side links for making the lowering links for the 701 Husky.
Of course, all that'll get cut away. And...
Yeah.
Is it okay if we go back in to get some sugar?
Fine. Yeah.
You've got away. This is anodized, right?
No, that's a powder coating.
This is powder. You've gotten away from anodized and gone for powder coating because of the durability.
And that's a tubeless.
Tubeless
Rear for the CB.
rear for the CB, powder coated, black or gold.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Africa Twin has just come back from bar tubeless.
Now, okay, bar tubeless. Put the tubeless bit in right here in the.
That's vulcanized onto the rim with a valve.
So they get the rim, the whole rim, and then they just vulcanize this centerpiece in there.
We machine the hub, and
Right.
get it laced to a special tubeless rim, and then we send them to Italy, and they do the bar tubeless conversion.
In Italy, wow.
Yeah.
But in order for the bar tubeless conversion to work, you had to build this rim with this.
Yeah, we have to buy this special rim because it's different to a tube rim.
With the deep cutout for the.
Yeah, and the two bumps on there. So that's what.
Oh,
that's
yeah.
what the DO. Is it DOT in the States?
Yep,
Yeah, we have to have that on. So it took us a while to source a rim.
What is that? What does the DOT care about that for?
It's supposed to stop the tyre
From
suddenly coming off the
Okay,
rim
gotcha.
if it deflates. I don't know whether it does or not.
And then, yeah, typical government regulation. Is this available on the 500s or
Yeah,
it
yeah.
will be? It is.
No, it is.
It is.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
And then every wheel, I think, it'll be engraved somewhere. There. Every wheel has a unique number. So it's got a 4-year warranty with it.
And only one of these little ones.
Part tubeless. No more flat tires on the trail.
No, so we're doing more and more.
And Jenny says if you want to go riding with John, you better just show up with Bart tubeless, or you're not welcome.
I only go trail riding with people with Moose's fit. I don't need to practice fixing punctures.
You've done a few.
I know I'm good at them.
Little parts and pieces are in here now. Over 800 different individual parts here at Rally Raid, covering basically the 4 different models of bikes, plus a few others. The AT, the Africa Twin, of course the Rally Raid CB 500X, 3 different levels of configuration there, and the new BMW 310 GS. Of course, he's also got parts for the 690, the Evo 2 kit, and he's got parts for Husqvarna and all your dirt biking needs, huh, Pete? You got this sorted out here? Want to put one of these kits together? John, he don't wait, man. He just digs right in.
We're going.
They're going. All of 30 minutes driving here in England on the wrong side of the road. Rent a car, brand new Peugeot diesel 4-wheel drive. Real easy, like Jenny says, it's like an airplane. You just switch seats, no big deal. Stay over here in the left lane, to be in the slow lane. Easy to find rear view mirror here, but when you're, let me show you. Switch lanes over here to the right. Now, when you want to switch lanes back to the left, I'm always looking for my left rear view mirror right here. It ain't there, it's way over there. So signal on, look, and get over in the slow lane. A note about these motorways. This is the A14 2-lane motorway, and it's right up here. They're so narrow, there's no room for folks. If you break down or got a problem or something, there is just no room to get these cars out of the way, and traffic is just instantly stopped. So you keep an eye out for a stalled vehicle. It's going to be in your lane. Coming from California, of course, we're used to 6 lanes wide, 180 feet, plenty of room. Not so much here. Anyways, driving in England, it's easy.